What's up, guys? My name is Megan Elizabeth, and today we are doing a makeup challenge. I've seen a lot of videos on the internet where they're doing full face with only highlighters, full face with only dollar store makeup. So today we're doing full face with only food. The ingredients that we're gonna be using today are chlorella powder and frozen raspberries that have just thawed out slightly. The only tools that I'm gonna be using are Q-tips, a little bit of tissue, or you could also use cotton pads, and then I have a mascara wand.
So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is just picking up that pigment on the Q-tip from the raspberries, and then you want to go ahead and dip it in the chlorella a couple times. Dip it one more time in the raspberries to make sure that the texture is nice, and then go ahead and rub it around on your hand to get rid of any excess liquid. You're gonna fill in your eyebrows with it if you like to fill in your eyebrows. I really like the way that this color looks. It's a nice brown color and it works really well for my skin tone and my hair color. I did have a fight with tweezers when I was younger and not all of my hair grew back, so hopefully you guys don't have the same situation, but if you do, you can use this to fill in your eyebrows. It might take you a few times to play around with it, but it's pretty awesome. For this next part, you're going to be dipping into the raspberries and the chlorella powder again. Make sure that you pick up a little bit extra of the chlorella powder. You want it to be a little bit thicker for doing mascara. So you can apply it basically like normal mascara. I like to use the Q-tip instead of the mascara wand initially because it does help to get a little bit more of the fruit mascara on there. And then I like to press it up into my lash line because I'm going to do a powder line above it, and this will help it to stick to my upper lid. I like to use a Q-tip with a little bit of water for cleaning up any excess. This is a little bit messier than doing normal makeup, so I like to just use that to clean it up. Now I'm going to take a new dry Q-tip that is going to be just for pressing into my lash line. So I'm picking up that chlorella powder, I'm pressing it into my lash line. I like to put that tissue underneath just to prevent it from falling underneath, and then you can clean it up with your Q-tip that has water on it. So it's a very slight winged effect, but it's definitely noticeable. You can do your bottom lashes just like you did the top ones and then clean it up again with the Q-tip with water. I'm gonna go back in and fill in my eyebrows a little bit more now that my first layer has dried, so you can see I'm making them a little bit darker and a little bit thicker. Now we're gonna get a little pop of color going. So you're gonna just dip your finger right into one of your raspberries and pick up some of that juice and apply it just like you would a liquid blush. And you're gonna love it so much. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I've been buying liquid blush when I could have just been putting food on my face the whole time. And it does not feel sticky, just so you know.
Okay guys, what do you think of this natural, fresh makeup look? This food makeup look? Are you guys surprised that I was able to do a full face of makeup with just 2 ingredients that are food, things that you would eat in your kitchen? So if you guys think this is cool, please make sure that you comment down below. If you think it sucks, comment down below. And just let me know if you think that you might try it for yourself as well. And also please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do awesome tips, natural tips like this, and share healthy recipes. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.